So what's up guys, welcome to the CSS class. In this class we will be looking at the how we could modify text. Okay, so this was the output of our text which I have shown you all in my previous class. Let me show you how to modify this text. Okay, so if I want to change the color of this text to something like blue and all, then I could do that with the help of the CSS properties. Okay, so this is the first paragraph. I'll be going to the first paragraph over here, and I'll be applying properties at this point. Okay, so what I'll do is I will make use of the color property, and I will say color as I'll give this as a color. Okay, I don't know what color is that, carrot blue, and I'll be saving and refreshing my page. Okay, so now carrot blue color has been applied to this particular paragraph. So now if I want to give the spacing between of these words, then I could do that as well. So what I will do is I'll come down below and I will say word spacing, and whatever word spacing that I want to give, I could give. I will be giving small spacing like 5 pixels. I will save and I will refresh. Okay, so now as can be seen, the space between the words have been changed. And next property that I'll be showing you is letter spacing. Okay, so if I want the space between these letters, then I could do that over here. So I'll be applying that property to the second paragraph. I'll be saying letter spacing, and I will give some letter spacing as 3 pixels and all. I will save. I will come over here and I will refresh. Okay, so as can be seen, there is a lot of space between the letters have been given over here. And now if suppose I want to align the text. Okay, so if I want to align text at the center, right, left, I could do that as well. I will be giving the text align property, and there are few values over here, which is center and justified. It is always good to use 3 values, which is center, left and the right. I will be giving this first value, which is center. I will save. I will come over here and I will refresh. Okay, so as can be seen, all the content have been aligned at the center. If I am saying it as a right, and I'm saving and refreshing, all the content have been shifted to the right hand side. This is working as a margin right now, and as can be seen, everything has been shifted to the right. You could shift everything to the left also. Okay, just refresh it and everything has been shifted to the left hand side. Okay, so basically this is how this property is working. And now if suppose you want to give some height in between of this first line and the second line, then you could do that as well. Okay, so what you could say is line height. Make use of the line height, and I will say line height as 8 pixels. I will save. I will come over here and I will refresh. So as can be seen, it is getting congested. It is really very small space now. If I want to change this, I will give value as 20, save and refresh, and now I am getting a bigger size. Okay, so this is how you could even change the space between the two lines. And now if I want to give the shadow of the text, then I could do that, and I will show you how to give the shadow of the text for the second paragraph. So I will come over here to the properties of the second paragraph and I will say text shadow. Okay, text shadow, and I will say I will be giving the shadow 2 pixels from the top and 3 pixels from the right, and I will give the color as red. Okay, so this is from the top right, it will be red in color. I will save this. I will come over here and I will refresh this page. Okay, so as can be seen, from the top hand side it's 2 pixels, and towards the right it's 3 pixels, and the shadow is red in color. If I want to push this shadow to the right hand side little bit, then I will give the value as 10, and it will be pushing itself towards the right hand side. Okay, sorry, top bottom side, this value is for the bottom. So this will be pushing towards the right hand side, and this value will be pushing to the text or the shadow towards the bottom side. So if I want to make it 5 pixels, then if I'm just refreshing this, then as can be seen, it is pushing towards the right hand side. So this is how you could even make use of the text shadow the way you want. So thanks for watching. This was all about the text decoration.